In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and launching both in the background. Now you need to access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select split screen in the pop-up and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe both in the background, or hold this white line in the middle of them and drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!